Mastering the Art of Gift Wrapping. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we'll delve into a common phrase that you might hear especially around holidays or birthdays. Wrap gifts. It's not just about the action, but also the cultural significance behind it. So, let's get started. When we talk about wrapping gifts, we're referring to the act of covering a gift in decorative paper or materials before giving it to someone. It's a way to conceal the item and make the process of receiving and opening it more exciting and surprising for the recipient. To wrap a gift, you'll need some essential materials: wrapping paper or gift bags, scissors for cutting the paper, tape to secure the wrapping, ribbons and bows for decoration. Selecting the right materials is important as it adds a personal touch to your gift. Let's go through the basic steps to wrap a gift. 1. Measure and cut the wrapping paper to fit your gift. 2. Fold the paper neatly around the item, securing it with tape. 3. Decorate with ribbons or bows for a festive look. Each step has its own techniques, and practice makes perfect. In many cultures, gift wrapping is more than just decoration. It's a sign of thoughtfulness and effort. It shows that you went the extra mile for someone, making the act of giving as special as the gift itself. Don't use too much tape. It should look tidy. Avoid wrinkles in the paper for a smooth finish. Be mindful of the pattern alignment for a professional look. Wrapping gifts is an enjoyable and creative activity that adds a personal touch to your presents. We hope this video has given you the confidence to wrap your gifts with flair. Happy wrapping, and see you in our next video.